the tough shells, the kingfish, the boundless, and finally, the jet setters. And they are off.
Welcome to Banquet. Expect to see vaults cracking open and downed opponents scattering their coins for others to pick up and deposit.
Outgoing sonar check. Arming a mine. Gas mine time.
Our contestants aren't here to play nice, as evidenced by that first elimination.
Peacetime is over, folks. In the arena.
Scanning that area.
Cling, clang, in the bank with a bang. Well done, the tough shells. A new vault just appeared. Let's see who grabs that cash. To fight for in the arena. Yowza! That's a contestant eliminated and a sudden coin bonanza for the rest. A contestant just scattered into a mountain of coins. Finders keepers. The tough shells don't stop. That's a deposit.
One member of the Tough Shells is jingling louder than a cash register. They've become a moving treasure trove and a potential jackpot for rivals.
A contestant has been taken down, spilling a wealth of coins in the arena.
Viewers, the jet setters have a teammate who is loaded with coins. Talk about being in the spotlight.
Tossing a frag. Sonar grenade out. Tossing a sonar.
A new vault. Our contestants better not leave that unattended for too long. A contestant is down, and they're leaving a whopping cache of coins behind.
Hold on, folks. A contestant from the Kingfish is a walking gold mine. It's either bank or bust for them now.
We've got a deposit in the books from the Kingfish. I love this part of our show. Who will get to the new vault first? A shiny new vault just spawned, June. Let's see who gets to it first.
Here we go. Our upcoming event will surely put the adaptability of our contestants to the test.
A few more coins in the bank for the boundless.
Hold on to your hats, dear audience. We've just turned up damage and destruction to the max.
Dropped a mine!
Someone from the jet setters is loaded. But remember, in Bank It, heavy pockets can quickly become empty ones.
A contestant is down and just lost tons of coins. Our contestants seem to have taken out some frustrations on the
Initiating a
arena,
scan.
as Mega Damage is
Tossing
living
a
up to its
sonar.
name, and it's not done yet. The second half of this match is underway. I bet there's a highlight reel play on the horizon, June.
The first half was just a taste of what's to come. The real battle has only just begun.
A new vault in the arena. The ultimate omen of mayhem here at the finals.
Toxic trap set! Gas mine set!
Hold on, folks. A contestant from the Boundless is a walking gold mine. It's either bank or bust for them now.
The Kingfish swam to the top and banked their coins for the win. On behalf of our sponsors, thanks for tuning in.